Happy Sunday. It's Sunday's the upload day and today is also Sunday, so happy Sunday. We're going for a walk and a coffee.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
I've seen people before like smashing avocados on chopping boards and I've always thought it was weird. I'm gonna try it because I don't want to mix it in the bowl, take out the bowl. Less washing up, right? Start my day with apple juice. Just headed to work my overnight oats, my packed lunch.
Think I might be over my troubles since you came around.
I basically did that classic thing where I'm like, I'm gonna do what I eat in a week video. Then I didn't film my lunch. But literally only because I had lunch with this new girl and I didn't want to get my camera out. I feel like even just bringing my camera to work today was like a whole thing for me because I usually just film on my phone when I'm not at home. I feel it's kind of awkward, I say, as I'm literally like squatting in the street vlogging right now. Yeah, so I didn't want to get my camera out in front of her because it's like her first day at work and I'm there like just gonna film my food. It just feels a bit weird and I don't want to think that I'm strange. Anyway, I didn't film that, but I'm literally walking home now, 32 minutes into the walk. So I'm gonna walk for another 10 minutes and then go home, see my new cat, and we're gonna have pizza for dinner as it's Monday. I'm not very good at vlogging and walking at the same time. so tired. I'm blurry. I'm back walking and vlogging, which I'm bad at, so sorry. But we're going to the gym, and once again, it feels like the crack of dawn. Traffic is loud. I'm stressed. The clock's changing has really made it feel like we're back in winter. It's so hard to wake up, but I'm up drinking my water, and I'm going to spin class, so I'm sure the day will be fine.
So tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately, there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you, with you. Are you out there dancing alone? Are you up on your own? Baby, I wanna know just how many days will go till I call you my own. You look good in the sunshine, you look good in the rain, and I know once that you're mine, we'll have nothing to change. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you, with you. Are you out there dancing alone? Are you up on your own? Baby, I wanna know just how many days will go till I call you my own. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best.
Literally, the weather has been so horrible for days, like for weeks. Now look at it, it's sunny, I'm so hot, I'm sweating. But I'm on my way to reform a Pilates class.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone.